somewhere to start. No need to ask, he's a smooth operator. 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 Coast to coast, Maria, Maria. She remind me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living the life just like a movie star. Maria, Maria. She fell in love in East LA. To the sound of the guitar, yeah. Play that color Santana. Maria, Maria. She remind me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living the life just like a movie star. Maria, Maria. Stop the looting, stop the shooting. Pickpocketing in the corner. See, as the rich is getting richer, the poor is getting poorer. See me and Maria on the corner, thinking of ways to make it better. And my mailbox is an eviction letter. Somebody just said, see you later, yeah. Southside. Pickpocketing in the corner. See, as the rich is getting richer, the poor is getting poorer. See me and Maria on the corner, thinking of ways to make it better. And my mailbox is an eviction letter. Somebody just said, see you later, yeah. Maria, Maria. She remind me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living the life just like a movie star. Maria, Maria. She fell in love in East LA. To the sound of the guitar, yeah. Play by Carlos Santana. Maria, Maria. She remind me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living the life just like a movie star. Maria, Maria. She fell in love in East LA. To the sound of the guitar, yeah. Play by Carlos Santana. Maria, Maria. She remind me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living the life just like a movie star. Maria, Maria. She fell in love in East LA. To the sound of the guitar, yeah. Play that Carlos Santana. Maria, Maria. She remind me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living the life just like a movie star. Maria, Maria. Stop the looting, stop the shooting. Pickpocketing on the corner. Getting riches, getting riches. The poor is getting poorer. See me and Maria on the corner. Thinking of ways to make it better. And my mailbox is an eviction letter. Somebody says, see you later. Yeah. Southside. Pickpocketing on the corner. Getting riches, getting riches. The poor is getting poorer. See me and Maria on the corner. Thinking of ways to make it better. And my mailbox is an eviction letter. Somebody just says, see you later. Yeah. Maria, Maria. She remind me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living the life just like a movie star. Maria, Maria. She fell in love in East LA. To the sound of the guitar, yeah. Play that Carlos Santana. Maria, Maria. She remind me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living the life just like a movie star. Maria, Maria. She fell in love in East LA. To the sound of the guitar, yeah. Play that Carlos Santana. Maria, Maria. She remind me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living the life just like a movie star. Maria, Maria. She fell in love in East LA.
Ay, muchacho, yo quisiera darte un beso. Eres todo lo que sueño y lo que pienso. Si tú me quisieras, yo te cuidaría y tuya sería mi vida. Yo quisiera darte un beso. Eres todo lo que sueño y lo que pienso. Ay, muchacho, yo quisiera darte un beso. Eres todo lo que sueño y lo que pienso. Ay, muchacho, yo quisiera darte un beso. Eres todo lo que sueño y lo que pienso. Ay, muchacho, yo quisiera darte un beso. Eres todo lo que sueño y lo que pienso. Ay, muchacho, yo quisiera darte un beso. Eres todo lo que sueño y lo que pienso. Si tú me quisieras, yo te cuidaría y tuya sería mi vida. viste la quebrada donde tiene su morada. A la orilla del camino se pone a cavar el hoyo. A la vista las quebradas donde tiene su morada. Bonita con sus aletas que le sirven de defensa. Cuando él se pone muy bravo, él pelea con la culebra. Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí. Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí. Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí. En los meses de verano él sale de madrugada y si la luna está clara para poner su nidada. Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí. Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí. Cuando cruza la quebrada la cola no se le dobla y corre sobre del agua, por eso no se le moja. Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí. Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí.
Cuando nacen los guaraquitos se pasean por las orillas, los defiende del peligro de boca de la babilla.
Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí. Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí. Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí. Bonita con sus aletas que le sirven de defensa. Cuando él se pone muy bravo, él pelea con la culebra. Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí. Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí. Cuando cruza la quebrada, la cola no se le dobla y corre sobre del agua, por eso no se le moja. Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí. 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 A la orilla del camino se pone a cavar el hoyo. Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí. Guataquí, guataquí, que gracioso es guataquí.
Te conocí en una playa tranquila de Miami Beach. Me enamoré así y supe en el momento que eras para mí, oh, para mí. En la playa, solos tú y yo gritando al amor, no te vayas, que habla el corazón. En la playa, solos tú y yo gritando. la mujer al amor, el amor a la canción a la esperanza, a la esperanza. Bonitas sola, cada una en su lugar. Buscan el entendimiento de las palmeras y el viento. Bonitas sola, cada una en su lugar. Buscan ese no sé qué entre la leche y el café. Bonitas sola, cada una en su lugar. Águila del monte será, se le oyen las voces como el pavo real. Se le oyen las voces como el pavo real. Águila del monte será, se le oyen las voces como el pavo real. Se le oyen las voces como el pavo real. Cada vez que voy al mar se me presenta mis penas al ver la profundidad donde mi amante navega. Águila del monte será, se le oyen las voces como el pavo real. Se pusieron a cantar a las 5 de la mañana el papu y el pavo real, el clarín de las montañas. Águila del monte será, se le oyen las voces como el pavo real. Me robaste el sueño cuando me dormí. Se pasó mi amante y yo no lo vi. Qué linda la mariposa cuando acaricia las flores. La mujer que a mí me quiera yo le pongo condiciones. Me robaste el sueño cuando me dormí. Se pasó mi amante y yo no lo vi. A mí me decía mi madre, no te vayas a casar. Dale las condiciones a esta culebra no para nada. Ay, me robaste el sueño cuando se pasó mi amante. Ay, me robaste el sueño cuando se pasó mi amante. Me robaste el sueño cuando me dormí. Se pasó mi amante y yo no lo vi. Y me robaste el sueño. Me robaste el sueño cuando me dormí. Me robaste el sueño cuando me dormí. Se pasó mi amante y yo no lo vi. Qué linda la mariposa cuando acaricia las flores. La mujer que a mí me quiera yo le pongo condiciones. Me robaste el sueño cuando me dormí. Se pasó mi amante y yo no lo vi. A mí me decía mi madre, no te vayas a casar. Dale las condiciones a esta culebra no para nada. Ay, me robaste el sueño cuando se pasó mi amante. Ay, me robaste el sueño cuando se pasó mi amante.
Je lui ai dit aime-moi, prends-moi dans tes bras et je n'ai plus personne. Ne laisse pas ton odeur imprégner mes draps si tu m'abandonnes. Je suis pas celle que tu crois, aucun gabon ne m'a touché. À part toi caballero, non personne ne m'a touché. La cocaïne a pris ma famille. Je suis une clandestine à Miami. La cocaïne a pris ma famille. Je suis une clandestine à Miami. Cocaïne Je lui ai dit aime-moi, prends-moi dans tes bras et je n'ai plus personne. Ne laisse pas ton odeur imprégner mes draps si tu m'abandonnes. Je suis pas celle que tu crois, aucun gabon ne m'a touché. À part toi caballero, non personne ne m'a touché. Cocaïne Je lui ai dit aime-moi, prends-moi dans tes bras et je n'ai plus personne. Ne laisse pas ton odeur imprégner mes draps si tu m'abandonnes. Je suis pas celle que tu crois, aucun gabon ne m'a touché. À part toi caballero, non personne ne m'a touché. cocaïna, la cocaïna, prima famille. Dans des cinas, ami, ami. La cocaïna, prima famille. Dans des cinas, ami, ami.
See, yes. All right, yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Yo, where the energy at, though? Where the energy at? Where the energy? Where the energy? Where the energy? Where the energy at, beautiful people? That's what I'm talking about, my beautiful people. Of course, welcome, welcome, welcome once again to the next edition right here of Basha Foundation Poetry Night. Make some noise for Poetry Night tonight, everybody. Show some love. Of course, it's an honor to have you guys here once again. I'm your MC for the night, MC Leo. But of course, before we continue, we also want to send a shout out to Denise, Zaina, Sebastian, the ones who are running Marco Canteen. Show some love for Marco Canteen right there, everybody. And of course, the awesome staff, the whole crew. Thank you for opening up the doors for us. Show some love to the staff, everybody. They're working on overtime. I just spoke to one of the staff members. They was like, I was expecting 20 people. Like, man, they told you wrong, bro. It's definitely not 20 people right here. But also, for those who don't know, we are also live streaming tonight, everybody. We're streaming live here tonight. And you could go on Facebook for Aru Shot Motion Pictures. That's Aru Shot Motion Pictures. Also, NPC Production. And also, Awe Mainta. They are streaming it live. Yeah, make some noise for that, yo. We are live streaming right now. Now, the same hand that you clap with, go on Facebook right now and share it. How about that, all right? But, y'all laughing and nobody phone the hand. Grab your phone, people. Some of y'all got wine glass instead of the phone. Y'all drunk already. Oh, my gosh. Like, yep, I'm looking right at you. Sure, like, hello, cheers. Make sure. So once again, it's Aru Shot Motion Pictures, Aru Shot Motion Pictures, or you could go on NPC Production, or also on the Facebook page of Awe Mainta. We are live streaming this, get everybody in and on. Take your time. You can't say a word? No, yeah, you could see. Beep? Well, they'll beep it out after, don't worry, right? They'll beep it out right after. Yes, indeed. Se we não tem data, me querer tem Wi-Fi, se não hotspot, bo amigo, amiga, vamos lá. Se não, tem gas station right there, 5 florin, 5 florin, GSM, você acaba. Se não, vai back tempo de wow block, assim que eu digo assim. Do what you need to do. All right, everybody got it. Yeah, table did it over here. Everybody get it? Yeah, yeah. Nah. She took 5 sips of her wine and she didn't even take her phone out. She was like, the wine is too sweet out here, man. That's what's up. So once again, it's Aru Shot Motion Pictures, NVC Production, and Awe Mainta. Make sure you love it, like it, share it. Of course, get everybody involved to be part of Poetry Night here at Basha Foundation at Marco Canteen. And we're going to continue right away. We're going to start, of course, our first guest. This is a 3rd time performing, becoming a beautiful regular here. Beautiful regular, all right, beautiful regular. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, we kindly ask you also phones on silent, all right? Phones on silent if you can, because once the readers are speaking, we want to respect the artists and performers right here, no interruptions. Even if you got to go on the phone, you could go right outside, come back in, but let's respect the artists and performers tonight. Can we do that? All right, beautiful. Thank you so much. And I'm going to call forward our first performer for the night. Let's welcome her with a round of applause. Everybody make some noise for Miss Ivy Gulu to the performance here.
More forward, okay. Hello, hello.
More forward.
More forward, I can't. Between my legs. No, I don't like to. Good evening. Let's hear it out. Come on. It's Poetry Night. Good evening. I have a little surprise. I made a poem for my husband, and he said he doesn't like surprises. Sorry about that, babes, but I love you. It's about love. Oh, gosh, the mic is like moving. Wow, what a wonderful feeling, love. How is it going to last so long? I ask. How do I see love? Love is my husband. How long are you asking we're together? 43 years. At the 8th of April 2025. And 39 years married. Through thin, thick, through good, through bad, through everything, the love is still there. It's a wonderful thing. This poem is dedicated to my wonderful, humble, handsome husband in the world. Love you to the moon and back, Ivy. No, he's not to rent at all. He's all mine. Self-love. That is hard. How do I see myself? Overthinking and asking myself the questions. Is I'm really true in my mind? And I have to say, fuck, sorry for the word, beep me out. What are you doing, Ivy? You are good. Do you think, Ivy, you work hard? You have everything the best. Do you think ups and downs and hurt? So I am working hard on my self-love. How did I have to teach me? Who did I have to teach me? My mom, my dad? They didn't even know what is self-love. So I had to teach myself all of that. And again, to my husband, he has taught me how to self-love myself. He is the most wonderful person in the world. Thank you, Mike. Love you, Ivy. I told you I'm dedicating something to you. This is my first poem I ever wrote. Oh my God, don't fall in the back there. Okay, butterfly. I love butterflies. Start with a caterpillar. He eats all the leaves. He gets all the knowledge that he needs. He goes in a cocoon. And he spins and he spins and he spins. And in that cocoon, he is thinking, what is he going to do? How is he going to get out of there? With a lot of knowledge. So when he breaks out of that cocoon, he has all the knowledge. And he becomes a very beautiful and lovely butterfly. Thank you, Ivy.
Ladies and gentlemen, show some love for Miss Ivy right there, everybody. Showing some love for her loving husband. For those who don't know, of course, the theme of tonight is Give It To Me Raw, man. Give it to me raw. So, thank you for starting off that beautiful Miss Ivy. I really appreciate that. Little seasoning right there, little all-purpose seasoning you did gave it there, but I like it. A little Salt Bay is not bad. I like it. All right, it's what's up. Yeah, I got to give something, okay? That's what I like. Appreciate it. Up next, we got Aliyah. Aliyah, where you at, Aliyah? Where is Aliyah? And correct me if I'm wrong, Aliyah, this is your first time, right? It's your first time. Make some noise for the first time right here. I love first timers. I love it.
Boa noite. Me irei apresentar poema com Maskibi e me irei apresentar Aruba na Boneiro Cone. Tá hobby fácil para botar palavras sem pensar. Botar querer hasi outro dolor tá vale a pena? Like, share, comment, sem worry com consequência. Bo porta quebrando autoestima sem advertência. Tras de pantalla, bo nota mire lágrima não cai. Ni é persona que o mundo talaga vai. Tormento virtual por causa herida profundo. Te apalagabo sin ti, cubo nota pertenecer iba mundo. Usa bo coração para dar carinho e amor. Bo não sabe importa llena com rabia e temor. Usa bo palavra para inspirar e motivar. Van convertirnos mes en joven, empoderar. Láganos como joven, mostra grandeza. Mostra que união danos riqueza. Van para man den man, para norma e valor. para sembrar paz de un mundo lleno de rencor. Corda, tras de pantalla, tem poder.
Yo, make some noise, make some noise, make some noise for Leah right there. Are you kidding me? What? Beautiful. Tras de pantalla tem poderom. Bij deze, ik heb nu niet zo comment nada voor je slide op Facebook, mas, right? I'm watching all of y'all, okay? En Alia, correct me if I'm wrong, okay? Corrigir me se met een fout. Ko sei wat a do me na arte di palavra, toch? Si natin si met akor, ali iba ganding mo categoria, toch? Exactly. So she's going to represent Aruba and Bonaire. Kiluna? May? So, Fingy May. End of this month, she's going to Bonaire represent Aruba. Make some noise right there for the youth, man. Beautiful. You got it, girl. Success, success, success. Beautiful. And up next, we got the one and only Miss Elaine. Calling Elaine to the stage. Make some noise for Elaine, everybody. Just a love for Elaine. Making way to the platform right here. This one right here.
Good evening, everyone. It's been a long time after being on the stage back at Basha, so I'm glad for being here and always approaching me. Tonight I haven't wrote a poetry from myself because I normally write poetry, but this is a poetry I really like it. I did it also as a monologue. I'm gonna see where it's gonna lead me for tonight. I'm a prisoner of words unsaid. Just lonely feelings locked away in my head. I trap myself further every time I stay quiet. I should start to speak, but I stop and stay silent. And now I've made my own heart bad inside this prisoner of words unsaid. POW, that's what I am. Not a prisoner of war, a prisoner of words. Mostly I say what you want to hear. Could you take it if I came clear? Or would you just rather just see me? Stone on drug of complacency and compromise. MIA. I guess that's what I am. Scraping this cold hard earth for a piece of myself, for a piece in myself. I'd be easier if I just put me in jail, you know. If you lock me away, I'd have someone to blame. But these bars of steels of my making, they surround my mind and they have me shaking. My hands are cuffed behind my back. I'm a prisoner of words of every kind. In fact, I'm a prisoner of compromise, a prisoner of compassion, a prisoner of kindness, a prisoner of expectation, a prisoner of my youth. Run too fast to be old. I've forgotten what I was told. Ain't a sight to behold. A prisoner of age dying to be young. To my head is my hand with a gun, and it's too cold and it's too hard, 'cause there's nowhere to run. When you've caged yourself by holding your tongue, I'm a prisoner of words unsaid. Just lonely feelings locked away in my head. It's like a solitary confinement. Every time I stay quiet, I should start to speak. But I stop and stay silent. And now I've made my own heart bad inside this prisoner of words unsaid. Thank you.
Yo, give it up for Elaine one more time, everybody. Yo, she was, you know, she came so soft-spoken, like, oh, I wasn't here so long on the stage, haha. But I was in prison, like Jesus. Well, all right, Alcatraz, take it easy there, darling. I wasn't here seeing you guys. I was locked up in the mud. All right, relax. All right, Griselda, relax. All right, come on. All right, rustig. All right. Glad you're free. Glad you're free. How about that? All right. Free Elaine. All right. Free my girl Elaine from the South. That's what's up, man. I'm just whatever. All right, cool. Anyways, and we're gonna continue. I know I saw him, but I know he's here. The big teddy bear, Mr. Walter Muhammad. Walter, where you at, Walter? Where Walter at? Yeah, big teddy bear in the back. Make some noise for Mr. Walter Muhammad, everybody.
First of all, I'm a grizzly bear, not a teddy bear. Boa noite, Torrende. Me tata bij hasi tres, pero tengo di quatro, me tem amiga de 40 anos passando bij collegio junto. Foi de Holanda aqui não. Mas eu hasi é suspiro, pero ma tradução na holandês também. Dus me vai switch over rato naar Hollandees. Dus mijn eerste gedicht heet De Zucht. Stel je voor, oud Arubaans huis, leeg, scheuren hier, scheuren daar, gras ervoor. De zucht. De wind waait door het gras. Het waait langs het huis. Het huis, alleenstaand, heeft geen publiek. Het gras, helemaal dor en bruin, huilt van de dorst. Het huis heeft een historie, het heeft een verhaal, maar het staat alleen, vergeten door de tijd. De zon schijnt hard, de maan weerkaatst zijn licht, in helderheid of duisternis. Het huis wil zijn goedheid tonen. Plotseling verschijnt er een scheur in een muur van het huis. De verf valt van die muur. Het gras zoekt naar een geluid, maar het wordt alleen maar een zucht van het huis. Was it that bad? They scare me now, hoor. Okay. The way it works with my poems, I never know where it comes from. And it can be just something that hits me, or I see something, and it starts to, grow in my brains. Last time we were in Checkpoint Color, right? Remember behind us, they had the screen showing these waves, okay? While my wife was presenting already, something started to grow in here, all right? I think we had it April 25th. I wrote this one April 27th, 2 days later. It's called Ola ng Tabing, Ola ng Tabay, okay? Ola ng Tabing, Ola ng Tabay. Whoosh, whoosh. Ola ng Tabing, Ola ng Tabay. Whoosh, whoosh. Ola ng Tabing, Ola ng Tabay. Sintad de Santo Blanco, bitaw o de hipnotiza do di ritmo di lama. Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. Mi mente ta despedí de mi copa. Viento ta hiba mi alma riba su ahalanan. Mi cuero no ta sinti e calor di etera bau di mi mas. Brush, brush, brush. Cada ola ko takay, mi sintinang ta confundi mas. Kiko ta pasando, ta manera mi ta drumi, pero a lo bes lanta. Mi tingon claridad, ko ta wara tapa, do di un velo di confusión. Mi wonang ta komisahaya, e sinti di esalo di lama. Mi oreja nang ta komisa wak e frescura di nos viento. Mi lingua ta komisa hole e calor di etera. Mi nanici ta komisa scucha e sonido hipnotizante di e olanang. Bin come, 30 de mi, che de enlaza come, e la mata ordenami, ta hipnotizami, ta sequestrami, malagami bai, dinge libertà di elama. Niundolo no permisci come alma mas. Mi ta sin peso riba mi curpa, paso e ola nang ta cargami bai. Mi mente ta drenta dinge fase di libertà ultimo. Door di ritmo di lama, mi awordo hipnotiza. Drumi ribe Santo Blanco, e ola nang tabing, e ola nang tabay. I asina nang no encontrami mayang. Yeah, okay. Now, those of you know me already for a while know my biggest muse is my wife, who is right now on her way to Seattle for cruise ship to Alaska, so she's not here. But I wrote this a few weeks ago for her called The Perfect Lover. Again, I'm sitting in the morning on my laptop. I think I see a reel, and that reel has the song from Nazareth, you know, Love Hurts. I literally put on Word, and this came out within 10 minutes. Okay, all right, it's called Perfect Lover. Once upon a time, Nazareth sang, love hurts, love scars. Why? Because love is a two-edged sword. When you love someone, you open yourself to be cut. When you love someone, you open yourself to be stabbed. When we love, we also grieve. Because we either have missed time loving this perfect person, or we get betrayed by this same two-faced person. You see, love is anything but perfect. Love can lift you up, but then it can drop you on your head. Love can mend your heart just to break it again. Love makes you forget past flavors of pain to then invent a new, harder one. Love is crazy. It's dark and deep, even when it's clear and light. Because we don't really know anything about it. We don't know when it starts or where it will end. We don't know where it comes from or where it goes. Will it stay? Will it go? Will it be clear as light or stay as a deep, dark mystery? Because whatever happens, however great that perfect person is, right here, right next to you, okay? However sweet that nectar of their reciprocal love is, seasoned with kisses and hugs, even then, love will end with and in death. And yes, we will go head first into this wild thing, this adventure that, if we are lucky, will last a lifetime. Hell, it will last longer than a lifetime, because the people will talk about it. The legacy of that great, exploding, carnal, romantic, blissful love will be mentioned by all. But with what I have now, I will take the hurt that love might give me. With how we are one, I will take any possible scar. With how we spend simple time together, I will stop any future bleeding. With where we are together all the time, I will accept any future heartbreak. Because as much as love can hurt, because as much as love can scar, because as much as love can bleed, because as much as love can burn, I will more than survive. I will thrive. I will overcome that knife and keep myself alive. Because I have been blessed to find that elusive person that everybody wants but no one gets. That fantasy subject that only appears in fantastic and fictitious stories or Hallmark TV. That divine wonder that only can be summoned by the mythical gods. Because unbelievably, I have found the perfect love in the perfect lover. I presented to her already, so she knows, okay? All right, she knows, okay? Okay, last one. Okay, I always also try to write something on the team. Donami Curu, it's today. I wrote this one, Donkey Joes, okay? That's how happy I am with this, Donkey Joes, with the subject of this poem. Donkey Joes. Mi te senti un calor strano de mi corpo, un deseo que t'allanta con forza bruto. Bo mirada ta quima mi alma un candela puro. Mi querbo cerca mi, sin un secreto oscuro. Dona mi turlo que botin, drienta mi corpo dushi sin fin. Bo aparición, what happened? Oh, okay. Bo aparición ta tentador, un para sensual. Cada gota di bota uma promessa de prazer total. Mi manan quer explorar cada curva de boa forma ideal. E anhelo para boa presença, tabira mais real. Laga nos perde de paixão sem igual. Mi língua que é purba, e sabor de boqueiro transcendente. Uma expressão de sentimento, momento potente. Mi quer sentir borroseia frio contra mim, flujo constante. sin reserva, sin miedo, solamente e instante. Donami turbo amor, primimi fuerte. Lagabo sabor, papi, un idioma íntimo. Una conversación sin palabra, solamente ritmo. El deseo para botar un vlam que no te extinguir ni un rato. Den oscuridad y luz, nos dos un encuentro perfecto. Donami bo cariño y gisasina, donami é bruto. Donami tudo lo que botinha den y donami é frio y curu. Danke Dios, para não nos hombres se ves frio. Or not, or not, or not.
Well, that took an unexpected turn. Y'all show some love for Mr. Walter Muhammad, everybody. Show some love. Wow. So loving, and he went straight to the Balashi, man. Jesus, man. God. But Walter, hold up, man. I'm not. You said you're a grizzly bear. You're a pretty loving grizzly bear, if I might add, though. Like a pretty loving grizzly bear, man. Like you love. Don't you ever growl at me again, Walter. That's say I love harder than growl at me. My wife is here. She's not on no cruise ship. What's wrong with you, man? You growling at me in front of her. Oh, boy, listen, buy me dinner first. What's wrong with you? All those shucks. Walter Muhammad, everybody. Show some love for Walter, man. Love him. That's what's up. And up next, one of the co-founders, of course, right here from Bashi Foundations. Yeah, she's going early tonight right here. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the one and only Maria Silva right here. Show some love.
How small do you think I am? Hi, buonoche. Thank you. Nice to see so much faces tonight. So, Ra, we're going to write, this is for Alan Morrison. Tengo miedo. Tengo muchísimos miedos. Tengo muchísimos miedos, inseguridades. No tengo miedo a morir, pero tengo pánico a que alguien que yo quiera se muera. Cosa que es inevitable, que va a ocurrir. Y aquí estoy, y yo con el miedo a lo inevitable. Tengo miedo de que algún dolor crónico me va a atacar. Y aunque pienso que llevo toda la vida peleando endometriosis, la mayoría de mi parte, hay días que simplemente el dolor no me deja levantarme de la cama. Y nada, la vida continúa. Y tengo una tía que le duele la rodilla y una amiga que le duele la espalda. Y es como que si todos tenemos esto o otro. Y entonces recuerdo que el dolor es tan parte de la vida como reír. Recuerdo que cuando se murió mi abuela, en el velorio se sentía como un sueño. Saber que nunca la iba a abrazar otra vez me desgarraba el alma. Y todos los primos estábamos susurrando en las esquinas. Todos teníamos los ojos hinchaditos de tanto llorar. Y de repente alguien me dijo un chiste tontísimo y ninguno pudimos contener las ganas de caernos a carcajadas. Y me sorprendí que yo también estaba riendo. Y ese día aprendí que puedo sentir un dolor inmenso en el pecho y dentro de tanta tristeza hay espacio también para estar feliz. Es imposible ser valiente sin tener miedo. Y yo soy la más miedosa. La más cobarde, la que le tiene miedo a la oscuridad, a las escaleras, sobre todo cuando bajan. Le tengo miedo a las alturas, a los cementerios en la noche, a que nadie me ame por quien realmente soy. Estoy aterrada cada minuto de la vida, pero seguimos para adelante, con miedo, con valentía. Eso es lo que hacemos. So I'm going to try to do a translation, which I kind of did it on Google. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I have a lot of fears and insecurity, but I'm not afraid to die. I'm afraid that someone I love will die. Something that will happen, and here I am. I'm afraid of what's unavoidable. I'm afraid of chronic pain, although I think it's been years living with endometriosis. So most of my life, there are days when the pain is just so bad I can't get out of bed. And nothing, life goes on. And I have an aunt who has a knee pain and a friend whose back hurts. And it's like we either have here or that. And then I remember that pain is as much part of life as laughing is. And then I remember when my grandmother died. And the wake felt like a dream, knowing that I was never going to hold her again. And that tore my soul apart. And all the cousins were whispering in the corners, and everybody's eyes were swollen from crying so much. And suddenly somebody said a silly joke, and none of us could contain the laughter. And I caught myself laughing, and that day I learned that you can feel immense pain in your chest, and within so many sadness, there's room also to be happy. It is impossible to be brave if you are afraid. And I am the most fearful. I am the most cowardly. I am afraid of the dark, of the stairs, especially the ones that go down. I'm afraid of heights and cemeteries at night, and I'm afraid that no one will love me for truly who I am. I am terrified every minute of my life. But that's what we do. We continue to be afraid with courage. That's what we do. I have a last poem, kind of based on Harry Baker, who's one of my favorite poets. And I have it from my friend Zaina. So we've been friends since a little bit, 6.5. And I'm going on to 50. I love that you say yes to things without asking for the details. I love that most people think you're normal, but I happen to know the truth. I love that you're physically incapable of acting unaffected when you think things are unfair. That you buy books for me that make you cry because you think they'll make me cry too. I love that your kid loves science and he prefers to dress up like Tesla instead of like a pirate. That we ask for each other for advice so we can just hang out in midweek. I love how passionate you are about letters and colors, and the way that when you see a container of Mambesa butter, you always think of me. And I smile because I know it makes you think of my mother. I love that you went from being my sister friend to our friend to my friend. That once you brought a whole cake around because you heard that we had a hard week. That you think I'm cool enough to know all your cultural references. I am not. I love that you sent me a voice note of the time you said no because you knew I'd be proud of you. How obsessed you are with Tenant, that you are, or that you were, or that you will be. I love that ridiculous things don't just happen to you, but through you. I love that even sitting in silence, you nourish my soul. I love that you love croissants as much as Rachel does. That you love Kravis as much as I do. That you love quiet as much as I do. That you love life as much as I do. I love how little you care what people think and how much you care how people feel. How much you laugh at my jokes and then you add on to them and then you laugh some more. How when we were the only girls who used to story tell with physical actions, like military crawls, escaping out of the house. How easily you pick up where we left off. That when you ask me if I'm doing well, you mean it. That you make my best friend even better. That we've held hands during the dark moments. And occasionally, you realize how brilliant you are. I love that we got there at the end. I love that none of these things close to you are the most obvious things about you. That this poem started out twice as long and it could have been longer still. That I haven't mentioned your kindness or your thoughtfulness or how my heart lifts every time you go into a room. And even without any of these above, I would still feel lucky to be friends with you. I love that we mostly are good at just telling each other things. I also love that I get to make sure. I love that I get to call you my friend. And I love that I get to be yours.
Talk about the power of friendship. Show some love for Maria right there. Showing love to her. Yeah, y'all take that moment, yo. Zaina, did you really bring cake for her when she had a rough week? Because I'm not gonna lie, the past five years of my life been hectic bad, yo. Like, yo, what's up? I know we just met, but hey, yo, a cupcake or something, you know, por favor, you know, a little fruit cake or something, you know. I mean, Superfood got food cakes for free, you know what I'm talking about? Just saying. Right here from, yeah, right over here in the cantina. I'm just saying. Next. And she left me. All right, cool. That's what's up. Nah, man. Maria, also, by the way, I really think we should, I've been saying this for years, we should really do a Poetry Night in Spanish show, like for real. You know why? Because so I no I do listen here. I do know. Look, I got better. I got better. Trust me. I just came from Colombia, right? I just came from Colombia 2 weeks ago, and I learned a new. My wife says no. Don't worry. She's eating. She's hungry. It's okay. But I learned a new word. I learned that scissors in Spanish is not cisorillas. It's actually tijeras. But I didn't know that. But I learned that. But I said, cisorillas, all right? Mind you, you know what? Why y'all laughing? You know, forget y'all, all right? Big haters out here, all right? Big haters. All of y'all haters, all right? But it's cisorillas, all right? And picture is portreta. And they understood me. But you know what I find so messed up when I went there? Like, as soon as I started to speak like 2-3 words, they went straight to English, all right? And their English is like my Spanish, like for real, all right? So I'm like, I don't know if I should feel offended or not, but I accepted it. Ain't that right, baby? Ain't that right? Right, it got better, right? All right. Thank you for the love and support, all right? Thank you so much. See, this is Zaina. This is why I need cake. This is why I need cake, to be honest. This is why I need cake. All right, we're going to continue. My lovely lady Ruthie, come forward. It's your time. Make some noise for Lady Ruthie right here, everybody. Right over here. I got you. Hold on, let me bring that down for you.
Yes. Bonoci, Turende. Biapa sa, maddebutar yung celular. Magusta. Dus, awe noche trobe. Mahinka algo di mi celular. Nami wak unde tawo. Okay. Kasi haye, kasi. Yes. Ok, per me mi no compre il tema molto bom. Insomma, pensa che ta cos fuerte, cosa cos di dal, di rabbia, e seta cos Curu para mi. Dus, amo logra algo na inglês, imiti con nota dimi, come te vai recitata me, però mi ta cominciare che son dimi, ma titole I am who I am. I am who I am. As a human, a good woman. You have heard many of my written words in inspiring poems, and that's me being expressive in a crude way. What else can I say? I love being positive and lovable. Once in a while, I can explode on my husband, a misunderstanding, a discussion, causing my mouth to utter the words fuck or fuck you. But then we forget our ugly mood swings and we hug each other. My life has been pretty and beautiful since my childhood. So for me, you hear who I am. I know where I stand and do what I can to accept others with their expressions and ignore some for their pressure of not being nice and polite. For me, no need to be giving it Curu and Sunu or Bruto. That's not my style. Never was. Never will be. I can tell you straight to your face what I think of you if you lost respect for me and will forgive you or put you aside. You see, life is like a roller coaster ride with bad days and good days. We all kind of explode. We all kind of expose. Some with more self-control, others selfish and ugly. I have good parents and I had good teachers. Cannot give you what you're asking for. I wish I can love my fellow man some more, opening more doors to a brighter day with God's loving showing the way. Danki, danki, danki. Iawor nota dimi. Nosa kudanta bezig te elegie Papa Novo, no? Papa Francisco, ta sosega, cerca su creador. Magosa lo qual nga po neriba Facebook, anto saya zonami hopi Curu, pero de e bon sentido. Eta bisasina. Pope Francis reflecting from hospital. The walls of hospitals have heard more honest prayers than churches. They have witnessed far more sincere kisses than those in airports. It is in hospitals that you see a homophobe or homophobia being saved by a gay doctor, a privileged doctor saving the life of a beggar. In intensive care, you see a Jew taking care of a racist, a police officer and a prisoner in the same room receiving the same care, a wealthy patient waiting for a liver transplant ready to receive the organ from a poor doctor. It is in these moments when the hospital touches the wounds of people that different worlds intersect according to a divine design. And in this communion of destinies, we realize that alone we are nothing. The absolute truth of people, most of the time, only reveals itself in moments of pain or in the real threat of irreversible loss. A hospital is a place where human beings remove their masks and show themselves as they truly are, in their purest essence. This life will pass quickly, so do not waste in fighting with people. Do not criticize your body too much. Do not complain excessively. Do not lose sleep over bills. Make sure to hug your loved ones. Do not worry too much about keeping the house spotless. Material goods must be earned by each person. Do not dedicate yourself to accumulating an inheritance. You are waiting for too much. Christmas, Friday, next year, when you have money, when your love arrives, when everything is perfect. Listen, perfection does not exist. A human being cannot attain it because we are simply not made to be fulfilled here. Here we are given an opportunity to learn. So make the most of this trial of life and do it now. Respect yourself, respect others, walk your own path and let go of the path others have chosen for you. Respect, do not command, do not judge, do not interfere. Love more, forgive more, embrace more, live more intensely, and leave the rest in the hands of the Creator. By Pope Francis. I love it. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful. Thank you, Leo. Leo, bosa, luna pasa, yung gente que era hisami para pami. Mapuntra din publik. Sinota pa mi amiga Ariana, mi colega poeta sintaban ni mi, e di minta lerbo down. E la corribin cargue pami. De sora mega ave, ma bisa mi amiga Verna, mi tabaywaksi Leo te, pasota Leo soting amori passion, pa carga mi paraplu pami.
So biapsa to Walter, pero ela bisa ku eso que era hacia wo, pero ainda mais está mesmo tá hacia wo.
Danke, danke.
I believe. Yeah, she can't ask a grizzly bear to hold a paraplu. Sit down, man. What's wrong with you?
Thank you, Leo. Thank you. Thank you.
Round of applause for Lady Ruthie, everybody. Show some love for Lady Ruthie.
Thank you.
But Lady Ruthie, I must add, I've been doing poetry night, I think, for 9-10 years. I never heard you cuss. I I was like, and she said it twice, like behind of each other, like she was fed up with life. Like, it's always the first time. Like, I'm like, what, Maria, how long, what, 10 years, I think? I think I'm busy now, 10 years with Poetry Night. Like, I always said Lady Ruthie as the nice little Tweety Bird grandmother. You know, like the Tweety Bird grandmother, you know, Sylvester and Tweety Bird. She was like the sweet lady. But she was like, tonight, like, they got her order wrong, and she was pissed off, love, man. She was, all right, Lady Ruthie. That's why you wore the bandana on. Like, don't play with me tonight. I like it, man. That's what's up. Beautiful. Up next, correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know it's the first time, or it's after a long time. I know she's all the way in the back there. What up, chum? I see you. Diamanta, that's you in the back there? Yes, indeed. I know I recognize you, darling. Make some noise for Diamanta. If I'm not mistaken, she was here a few years, wasn't she, Maria? She was. Yeah, exactly. I was trying to remember the name. Lead singer of Quinta y Tambur. That's what's up right there. Show some love for Diamanta.
How you doing? You're looking good. You're looking healthy. Yeah, good. Oh, Lord. Maybe a vegan lifestyle. Gluten-free? It's definitely not crudo unless it's veggie crudo. This body holds veggies crudo. Just so you know, we love it. Boa noite, I'm Diamanta. I'm very excited to be here. When I saw the theme of tonight, it just called me immediately, and I was like, yes, okay, another moment. I've been indoors for a long time with some personal stuff going on, and this was like sort of a moment for me to come out and share a little bit about what that means. So I'm going to start with, I think I'm going to open with this one. I even read this one to myself this morning, because there's a lot of mornings that even though you know and you've achieved the biggest legacies and you've traveled to so many places, there is nothing you can do about not having emotional control over yourself or your thoughts, or things happen to you that you never expect would knock you off some sort of horse that you thought that you were glorious on. But I always remind myself of this, and this is called Friendly Reminder. I love my quiet mornings, hearing the sounds of nature and earth. I dedicate to what makes me happy, because it's my divine design. I discover who I am, what I truly need in my profound life expression. La magia Pachamama Santita Plantita provide me beautiful lessons in my life. For me to learn the peace and love and happiness missing in the holes of the people that left, in the legacies that I had to burn to survive, in the secrets I had to keep to thrive. In all of that I drive and I rise. Am I loving and caring and independent? I am a driven boss, beaten down but back up again. As I rise and I rise, I have an inspirational moment every day, but sometimes it's knocked over by a reason for me to cry. But it's okay, because you just rise back up and then you read this again and again and again. I have an inspirational life, no matter if I'm not inspiring anybody at this moment. I inspire myself. I live in infinite abundance of creativity and the law of universal love within my heart back to me. Aho. Thank you. Yes. This one's based on a story of a friend of mine that I've had the honor to help, but sometimes I'm not the best friend to go to for advice, because I am who I am sometimes, and I'm going to tell her story. as if I were her, like she called me. Yeah, Doshi, how you doing? Yeah. So I'm here at work right now, and I'm chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool, and thinking of going home early, you know. And then when I'm going home early, I think I'm going to pass by a store, go and get some food, go and get me something to eat for my love, you know. And then all of a sudden I was thinking, you know, what am I going to get him to eat? So I'm going to get him something special. I'm going to go to that special place he always thinks about all the time. And when I'm there and all of a sudden I step out of my car, I'm walking to the place, I open the door, I'm waiting in the line, and all of a sudden I get a rum, funny feeling come upon me. I cannot take it. So this feeling, you know what I think, you know what, never mind. I'm going to leave this place, I'm going to go. And as I'm going home, this feeling just gets stranger. It gets even pukey. And all of a sudden it's coming up the back of my neck, all the way up. I can't take it, I don't know what to do. So all of a sudden I come into the house, and I can't believe it. All of a sudden my skin starts burning because I can feel something going down right now. So all of a sudden I hear weird noises, and I see what is going on here. So all of a sudden I hear weird noises, so I'm going to go upstairs. So I go upstairs, and all of a sudden I'm upstairs, and I'm trembling. Am I going to do this? Am I going to put myself through this? Because I think I know what's going to happen. I'm going to do this. Okay. Doof. I open the door. There he is, standing with a woman, naked, clothes everywhere, things everywhere. Can you believe it? He goes, "Baby, this is not what you're thinking. I swear to God." You know what I said? F you and your mother. F you and your mothers. F you and your mom too's mothers. And when her mother have a mother, F her too. And when on top of the F, you, I put it in the F to you. F you, mother, F you and your mothers, get out my house. Thank you. Ladies, that's how you got to take care of that right away. Right away, don't waste no time. Don't waste no time. None. Okay. I have uno más. All right. This one's for my overthinkers. I feel so not alone right now. But okay, so this one's for my overthinkers. It's called La Antagonista. Cuando yo pienso, nadie que me da la lógica. Siempre pedí claridad, pero tú nunca me diste la verdad. Porque yo no, porque tú sí, porque tú es lo que yo nunca querí. Pensamientos de mala me consumía. Y cuando me vi ahí, así, con mi alma por la mesa, es ahí, que me pongo de guerrera, porque es así que yo viví, el amor que yo tenía, porque así solo me gusta la soledad. El muchachito que perdí, mírame por los postres que perdí. Mírame por los secretos que yo aguanté para ti. Mírame sin ti. I would like to thank Maria and everybody and Basha Foundation for this opportunity, Marco Canteen and everybody and all the employees, Masha Danki, and to, of course, all of you all, thank you.
Oh, damn. Yeah, man, the question, you just pop out of nowhere like a jack in the box, like, yo, what you busy with now, actually? What you doing? Tropic food farming? What's that? Yeah, the tropic food farm, you farm food in the tropics? It sounds like that. What's tropic food farm? What's that about?
I have a self-sustainable syntropic food forest, which provides food on a sustainable way, which uses less water with time, as well as I'm trying to promote awareness in the agriculture, beauty, and precious gems that Aruba has to offer, because we have more than 99 medicinal plants. Just so you know, 99 medicinal plants all over our mondis. That's what I'm doing now.
That's exactly that. I understood every word of it, Joe. Jesus. How you mean? What? Don't worry. If I don't understand, I'll ask my mother. Yeah. I'll ask my grandfather too while I'm at it. Hey, granddad. So guess what I heard today, Mom? You would not believe. By the way, how's Grandma doing? Man, we're going to continue right away. It's a beautiful night tonight. Beautiful night tonight. I understood he's a first timer also. Adam. Where's Adam at? Adam. Make some noise for Adam, everybody. First time out here, Adam. Let's go, Adam. Adam looking like a young James Bond, if I might say so. Jeez, man. All right, shaking, not stirred. Right over there, my boy. Right over there.
Yeah, hello. Hi, everyone. I'm Adam.
Adam, hold up. Y'all make Adam feel comfortable, everybody. Make him feel comfortable. What we saying out here. Adam, you know those people?
I know those two over there, yeah.
Oh, that's a lot of love. Everybody, Adam right here.
All right. Thank you all for being here. Thank you to my friends for coming and supporting. It's really nice to be here. The last couple months of my life have been filled with some of the highest highs and some of the lowest lows, but I always remember that life is so beautiful and how lucky I am to be here and do this. So I wrote this poem to give thanks, and this poem is called Mother Nature. Dancing, vibrating, there but unseen, candles will burn, stars they will gleam. Emotions run wild, forces conspire, give rise to beginnings from ones that expire. Wonderful, unlikely, bold and courageous, diamonds and spirals, kaleidoscope she arranges. The winds with the currents, moons will align, her mountains and valleys, all so divine. Strongest of men, brought down to their knees, her forces diverting, manifesting disease. From beginning to end, with Father Time, our dear Mother Nature, love intertwine. She giveth, she taketh, nothing gets wasted, through the twists and the turns, all demonstrated. With the birds and the grasses, clouds in the sky, give thanks and count blessings to feel so alive. Thank you.
Oh, make some noise for the first time. Adam right there, man. All right, Adam. Congratulations. Man, Adam got such a smooth voice, man. Yeah, for real. Like, I don't know. He got a National Geographic voice right there, man. That's like, there you see the tiger ready to attack. Oh, like, he's real smooth. I like Adam. Yeah, for real, doesn't he? He has a smooth voice. Like, for real, like, I could not be interested, but I would listen to him speak, for real. Like, for real, like, he'll be like, you talk about the leaves and whatnot, he'll be like, I really don't care, but he's like, the plant, it comes down, and when the plant falls, it falls on the ground. But when it's on the ground, it goes back to the tree. And when the tree is there for you, the tree is there for me. And I'll be dabbling in it, Adam. I see you, Adam. Showed. All right, Adam, I want to see more of you. All right, brother man, I want to see more of you. And your friends, too. They're clapping. I want to see them also out here, all right? Shout out to your support group, all right? Y'all do poetry? Y'all do poetry? Y'all sing? Yeah, I sing. All right, cool. I want to see you sing next time. You only sing in the shower? Well, imagine this is your shower right now, but it's kind of weird because everybody's looking, okay? Just try it next time, all right? Next time, all right? Cool. Nah, beautiful. That's what's up. That's what's up. All right. We got a few more left. Here. I got Miss Shirley. Shirley. First time? All right, Shirley, first time. Shirley. Miss Temple. Hey, let's go. It's a hard knock life. My millennials don't know about that. Nah. They don't know about that. Don't know. Shirley, there she is. Make some noise for Shirley. All right, Shirley, first time out here. Shirley. There we go.
Hello, good evening, everybody. My name is Shirley, and we met Maria by the Jazz Festival. So I'm a member of the foundation called Pensa. Thank you, Maria. So my poem is named Listen. I wrote it today. This is my first time. So I hope I hope you enjoy it. Quiet. Do you hear that? Listen closely. There's a whisper of change in the air. Feel the breeze as it carries new beginnings. Embrace the unknown. Let go of old beginnings. In the silence, there's a promise, a spark, guiding us forward out of the dark. The release. Finally. Are you ready? Are you scared? Are you excited? It's already here. Close your eyes and see what I see. A change in you, a change in me. Thank you.
Yo, y'all make some noise for Miss Shirley right there, everybody. First timer. Miss Shirley, don't make it be the last time, okay? Don't make it. You live here, right? Okay, that's what's up, all right? You look like you make some mean Johnny cakes. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. She looks like I don't know. She makes a mean Johnny cake and saltfish. I think I'm just hungry. I think I'm hungry, man. But she looks so. Hey, man, look at. Don't play with me. Don't play with me, yo. Also, ladies and gentlemen, I need to announce also. Awore mi mensiona tocante livestream. Tamen tariba YouTube. Dus the Aru Shot su YouTube. The Aru Shot Motion Picture, okay? Riba YouTube. The Aru Shot Motion Picture. Y riba Facebook kita NPC Aruba, okay? NPC Aruba ay mainta kung ay mainta, right? Just for everybody to know. If you didn't get it, if you couldn't find it, those are the names to go for. And up next, I'm just double checking. Mr. Luciano, did he reach? Is he here? Not yet. Yes, no, maybe it's not yet. All right, so hopefully he will be here on time. Then we still got Miss Jen Ross. Jen, hey Jen, make some noise for Miss Jen Ross. Everybody show some love.
So I try to do things on theme, and this time I was like, oh man, trying to dig through my repertoire, and I went kind of dark. A lot of people went kind of on the lighter side, but okay. So I wrote this one for a friend, and it's called His Roses, Her Hydrangeas. His roses, bait, luring her in, her giggles, taunts, playing his game, his vows, rope, tying her down, her veil, a blindfold, keeping her tame, his glances, arrows, shutting her up, her whispers, portents, echoing his name. His absences, walls, locking her out, her eyes, omens, oozing the pain. His insults, daggers, splitting her open, her skin, armor, cracking in vain. His jealousy, vitriol, choking her slowly, her lips, goblets, swallowing the blame. His fists, clubs, pounding her in, her bruises, hydrangeas, wilting in shame.
Only one? Yo, for those who don't know, she speaks like 7 languages, yo, and only one today, Jen? Oh, were you on break, like friends? We were on break? What's happening? What? Okay, but I appreciate the one. How about that? I appreciate the one. Make some noise for Jen Ross, everybody. Wow. Wow. Also, ladies and gentlemen, also want to announce, if you feel inspired for tonight, you be like, hey, I want to give it a shot. It could be story, song, or just, expression. I'm going to be right here. I'll write your name down. Don't be scared or shy. We got time. It's still pretty early. Who you pointing at? Who is that? Who you pointing at? What's her name? Yeah, I suck at lip reading, so. Know we? We don't know? Over there? Oh, okay, over there, that way. All right, cool. Oh, yeah, cash at me. We'll do it in a few. All right. So once again, if you feel inspired after or even during, you want to say something, don't be scared or shy. The mic is open right here until we got time, until we got to leave, but don't be scared, all right, beautiful people? Up next, we got Eric. Where my boy Eric at? Yeah, Eric. I was like, man, gosh. I got you, Eric. And Eric, this your second time, right? Yes, the second time. Where was your first time at? November? Scratch. Was I at Scratch? Yes. The one in Palm Beach? In the parking lot of Palm Beach? Oh, yeah. Scratch. Of course, Scratch. I was at Scratch and Lotion. I was right there, man. Scratch, of course. Yes.
I know you're lying. You remember.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Eric. Make him feel welcome once again, everybody. Show some love.
All right, buonanotte. Good evening, everyone. First of all, such a beautiful place. It was a perfect spot for tonight's event. And secondly, a round of applause for all the people that organized this event. So my first time was last year back in November, and I was nervous, but afterwards it felt so good to express yourself. So I'm nervous again today. I'm sure I'm going to feel good afterwards. All right, so the first poem that I have for tonight, it's called Bed Rotting. So I'm not sure if any of you all ever experienced bed rotting. Well, I'm about to elaborate further on. I'm just going to share my own depiction of bed rotting. All right, so the first poem is called Bed Rotting. This morning, I woke up dead, buried in a pyramid of issues not ready to disclose to archaeologists. I mean, self-proclaimed therapists. I'm starving, but I don't have the energy to prepare something to eat. I know I should get up and take a shower, but honestly, I prefer to stay in my room and quicksand into my green cotton sheets. Eyes locked to my cell, checking what the people I follow have been up to, purposely avoiding articles about pharaohs and overseas wars, violence, injustice, devastations. It's not that I don't care, it's just, what's the point of twisting a knife when the person is already dead? Suddenly, I find myself laughing at memes and funny videos, then low-key obsessing over influencers and their apparently better lives. Just as I'm about to replay a 30-second dance, a pop-up notification snaps me out of the trance, asking, "Are you still coming tonight?" I pretend to be unavailable, aimlessly scrolling, not even bothering to reply. Thank you. So the second poem, I got this inspiration last year, right when I was finalizing my studies for bartending. And to finalize the studies, we had to make our own cocktail. And I was, contemplating to make something with agave. And suddenly, out of nowhere, I like what my brother said over there. He does not know where poem comes from. But something told me I need to make a poem with this word agave. And then right away, I got the word agape. Agape is the Greek word of, one of the Greek word of love. And this is a different type of love. And it's like a selfless, unconditional type of love, a higher form of love. So tonight, the poem, my second poem, is called Agave. I mean agape. An agape kind of love is a young mother of two immigrating to a foreign land, temporarily leaving her toddlers behind to lay the foundation for a redefined future for her children, herself, and generations to come. An agape kind of love is your mother pinching you from behind the wooden bench on Sunday morning, a sneaky warning to pay attention to the preacher, or there will be more waiting for you when you get home. An agape kind of love is dripping from the pages of the New Testament. An agape kind of love is the one my fellow countryman Bob Marley sang about. An agape kind of love is not being afraid to call out your political party of choice on its nonsense. An agape kind of love is not letting political differences destroy relationships or friendships. An agape kind of love is practicing accountability, sometimes delving within to see if you might be the problem. An agape kind of love is accepting that friends and family may distance themselves when you no longer identify yourself with their lifestyle. An agape kind of love is refusing to laugh at an unfunny joke, especially when it's offensive. An agape kind of love is like an agave plant, rough and spiky on the edges, greening with a hard exterior, yet within lies a residence of golden sweet benefits. Thank you.
So, jeez, yeah, wow, yeah. Everybody nodded their head like, yeah, exactly. Hey, so hold up, you make drinks? Yes, indeed. No, you said something in the first one, like Tom Cruise cocktails vibe. What you do, man? What you make? You finalized it already? So you're official, you're a bartender. Exactly. So you mix the drinks and whatnot. All right. Where's he working? They ask you where are you working? St. Regis? Okay, yeah, give it up right here, my man. Oh, St. Regis. Now, quick question. Can I get a discount? I'm just asking for a friend. Not for me. I'm just asking for a friend. And I'm just asking if, how much? Quarter to 10? 20, I get 20%? Oh, shoot. Excuse, no. If 20%, then it's 20-0. I'm getting nothing, Maria Jesus. So that's a win-win for her. I lost. I'll contact you after. Yeah, I got you, all right? But I got to make sure, let the wife go home first and then we talk business, all right? All right, and then I'll visit you. And when she's on her cruise ship, like Walter's wife, then I'll come right back to you, all right? Perfect. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, baby, I thought you was eating. Excuse me, Mr. Ivy? I too young? I too young married? Yeah. How long? Just made 5 months. Just made 5 months. Oh, what is this? What is this? Golden Girls? Everybody relax. Easy there. Hold up. Wait a minute, all right? It's like that. The Hindi mujer all of a sudden. Y'all relax. Pump the brakes, okay? Easy. Y'all attacking me all of a sudden. Okay. It was a joke. Just a joke. Just a joke. Jesus. Thank you, man, for backing me up. Really, thank you, Eric. I trying to help you out, and you just fed me to the wolves. You did not even mix me a drink at this moment. Like, I could use a drink right now, to be honest, Eric. I could. Yeah. I'm already dead. Jesus, man. Yo, they turned Diamante on me right there, all right? They attacked me and my mother. Like, for real, bro. Like, Diamante, I'm gonna stay with that joke for the rest of the year, like for real, darling. Like, and you see, I work with kids, you know, so I can't specifically say their mother because I'm gonna lose my job. But you just gave me an opening there. You gave me something, all right? You gave me something, right? I'm gonna change it in Dutch, right? So like, your moeder, man, right? Hey, moeder, right? Like, why is Leo talking about my mom? Don't worry, I learned it. All right? It's not specific your mom, it's your ancestors' moms, but it's all right. All right. Ah, man, I think we got a first timer right here. She came up, she's like, hey, I want to say something also on the mic right here. Charlene. We got some first timers. Charlene is first. Charlene, is your first time, right, Charlene? Charlene, is it your first time? First time, all right, let's go. Got inspired tonight, Tom. Take your time, Charlene, we ain't going nowhere. Yeah, exactly.
Boa noite, Turende. Tami para minha viaja, so bear with me. Mi escucha tópico, anto mi escrevi dos poemas tocantes e a prometa chama Dunami e Curu. Dunabo e Curu, bota seguro, Curu sem restrição, sem adaptação, sem contenção de emoção. Pabisa verdade, nota turora, Curu tahiba na felicidade. Al contrário, cara rabia, stem kuta murmura, suspira, sentimento e acto para demonstrar mal contento. Sin embargo, na comienzo, conversação na quantidade, caminho da 13 deseo na andilante, para ter bom relação, cooperação, amistade, igualdade, para socorrer o coração de integridade. Na final de conta, hope bes debi na próprio interesse, ta preferar verdade trouxe, corrompi, diminuir com a realidade. É simples realidade. Do nabo é curu, bota seguro, Curu sem restrição, sem adaptação, sem contenção de emoção. Curu é base para uma relação por desenvolver, progressar, prosperar ou morir, mientras por queda contemplar seu melhor momento não. Thank you. O seguinte se chama Curu. Curu porta bai na bolsa. Para algum, está despresentar. Seja de palavra, pero para mim, quase sempre, riba mi cara. Eta hincami de problema. Então, sem começar, dizer a boa e imaginar com Curu, riba mi cara, ta mostra. Atami me mei de pachanga. Mira casa de minha amiga. Na suman outro moça. Entre em multitud, nos uovo ta topa. Ducha sina nos ta conversar. Tocante vida, amor, of kikokuta. Bajang, gewoon ta kaisinta. Ta hiba palavra, sem desculpa. Curu, bo porta bai na bolsa. Pa algum eta despresentar, seja de palavra. Pero para mim, quase sempre, riba mi cara. Mireta conta, boca em datur ela vai. Sabendo que o hopi não ta quadra. E muita ei, não por papia verdade. Ata coisa aqui. Carro grande, anto pamiu, daqui me arrase. Curu, etumbay na bosa.
Hey, give it up for the first time of Charlene, everybody. Beautiful one. That's what I'm talking about. Charlene, quick question. How did you get to know about Poetry Night, though? How did you get to know about it? You went to a presentation of Let's Act by Sede Aruba. And they promoted it. All right. You're always into the Poetry Night. Welcome to Poetry Night, Charlene. Welcome. Hey, shout out to Let's Act for Sede Aruba also. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Up next, we got another first-timer. First-timer right here. And I'll always support the first-timers. Opens up the platform for them. I hope I say it right as it is written. Queenie. All right, you're shaking your head, so you got to get up, Queenie. Don't make some noise for Queenie, everybody. First-timer. She almost fought me. She was like, I'm not going up there, sir. But yo, she said Banochi. Y'all make her feel welcome and smooth out here, everybody. There we go.
Okay. What is life? What is life without family? Sad, lonely, less laughter, and maybe also more peaceful, less drama, a true happily ever after? What if you cut the toxic ones, the ones that drive you crazy with their issues and insecurities, and instead spend more time with those that matter most? How more peaceful would life be? Maybe a bit more free? What is life without love? Sad, lonely, less laughter, and maybe also more driven, in your best shape, more income, a true happily ever after? They say love makes you blind. Love is all you need. But which love exactly? The one that makes your heart skip a beat? I call bullshit. Love should feel calm. Love should bring peace. Your heart shouldn't skip a beat. It should be at ease. But love alone is not enough. Not yesterday, not today, and not tomorrow. Love without growth, fun, and trust will only bring sorrow. What is life without friendship? Sad, lonely, less laughter, and maybe also more me time, no gossip or judgments, or drinking or hangover the day after. Friendships are golden when surrounded with pure souls, worth every tear and joy from young till we turn old. What is life without health? Nothing. There is no such thing. Life, go with it, grow with it, and don't let it make you sour. Enjoy life, make it one fucking happy hour.
All right, Queenie. Man. Listen, it's so funny because it's the first time and she was like, enjoy life, and then boom, F-bomb out of nowhere. Like, hey, F, you're like, whoa, wait, what about life? What about, but welcome, Queenie. Queenie, how did you get to know about Poetry Night? Your first time, like, how? You saw it a bunch of times? Your friend invited you, all right, and was she here before? Oh, to Marco. To Marco, yes, but not the Poetry Night. I welcome it, and you also. So yeah, all first time. Well, Queenie, well, next time I need Powerpuff Girls to come on stage right here next time. All three of y'all. She's already Bubbles. She's in blue. Buttercup right there in green. All right. I had a childhood Cartoon Network, everybody. All right, so relax. All right. So next time, also first timers, y'all join. I hope Queenie inspired you guys also to come up next time, okay? Because she's been drinking wine since I got here. My God, like. Bro, you making a poem about wine next time, all right? All right? Sauvignon Blanc or one of those stuff, all right? Jose, dale. Rocky, where my boy Rocky at, man? We need some music out here. Make some noise for Rocky, everybody, as he coming right here to indulge. DJ, you're the DJ for the night. DJ na working on man. All right. And of course, we got a few more left. Of course, once again, ladies and gentlemen, the timetable is closing. So if you still feel inspired, you want to come forward, I'm going to be right here. Give me your name, of course, and I will write your name down, and you could come perform whatever's on your heart and feelings for the night, of course. But of course, quick show of hands right now. Y'all enjoying yourselves tonight, though? Y'all enjoying yourselves? Let me see the hands up. Let me see the hands up. How you enjoying yourself right there? Beautiful, beautiful. Good to see you. Some of y'all put your hands down, so that means you have too much to drink. Jen, I'm looking at you. Right over there, Jen. All right. What, was that water, Jen? Were you drinking water tonight? Or was it Russian water? Was it Awadirusha? Pink water? Oh, that's kind of raw, isn't it? Basta Curu. See, but the baby, our rose, the basta Curu. See what the guy. Rocky. Maria. 2, 1. Hij vraagt me, ik weet niet hoeveel. Ja, steeds een warm-up. But not a 10-minute warm-up though. This ain't no Beyonce show right here. You ain't giving me nothing raw. Pause. Big pause. Don't you ever say you're giving me something raw and look me in my face. What is wrong with you, Rocky? Look at you. Wrong serio, all right? As we have this moment, of course, like I said, we have a few more left. So if you feel inspired, hey, Mr. Les, you made it. All right. You're going to tell me that you're coming on? All right, of course. You ain't coming for nothing. Come for St. Nicholas all here. You want to waste gas. You better say something. Are you kidding me? All right, Mr. Les, I see you. Style when anything gasoline paper. All right, Mr. Les, I see you. Just double checking Miss Luciano if he's out here. No, yes, no. Not yet. Well, hopefully next time. You done?
I use protection.
Use protection?
Nada? Tough crowd though. You spit on my mic and I put the thing, you know?
Hey, yo.
Kelly, hola. I get COVID, stand up COVID. Take it easy, it's a joke. Okay, we done, Curu? Test, mic check. Set. Mic check, see? Everybody here? Para atrás, come chom, ¿puedes escucharme? Well, okay. Ruth Mansoni, buenas noches. Maria, who else? Kalai. Mawakuli di Ruth Awari, pero isa sila ba yati? Okay. Yes. Porque mi nabe Curu, ato ungi wak. No rabe ko, pero sa kita uno. Kaya help sa sound check sa. Sinahaya petróleo na Aruba, say que men camina pa independencia. Boom, Curu. Nada? Okay. Me tinha outra dame, nós estamos ali lá de St. Regis, já domingo, pero pa protest. Occupy the beach. Curu. Hari aí, eu tô jogando. Sound check. Certo, bom? Desculpe, olha, meu amigo bota a vassoura. I got the dry mouth. Você tá de mim ou você tá de mim? Certo. Vai ser de mim, então. Não, tem que ir sim. Curu. Certo. Tô indo escutar, não? O lugar também é coti, ó. A você de candeira aqui, onde está a não, com sério, Curu, obrigo dali, bo. Não, muito hobby, não, nada. Estamos aqui, então. Save the best for last. Sorry. La kami tem 5 minutes of fame, no? Convidamento para meu advogado pro Deo, pro Bono, Pedro Mohamed. Isso é o mais vai rato iwak. Tanto mili com o mang dami. Isso, mi fan club, do show. Tami hene nang. Alright, tá basta. Sound check. Se você é coro, mas de canto, no? Just sing like nobody's listening. Nanishi, yeah. Nanishi, yeah. Okay. Você sabe, não treina, olha. F, A minor, D minor. Você. You before, you know, red, down, okay, man? Bring me your cup. Did I ever say how I feel about you? Sound check. The thing I never found. Sige na Canteen, sige na from me. That easy to do. I think that you do. Combinamento pa diamante namin. Do not need to be hurt. I know your actions, baby. They must speak louder than words. Oh, Curu. I've got a bottle, Vergación, give me your cup. Pop the cork and try. Can't I know? I know. When you're empty, I'll fill you up. Hey, we'll drink it down until the sun. I say, hey, I've got a bottle. Bring me your cup. Pop the cork and try a sup. When you're empty, I'll fill you up. Yeah, we'll drink it down till the sun comes up. Whoa, yeah. Danishinha. Isso aqui é real, não? Isso aqui é sound effect. Whoa, yeah. Bestelle bottle. I'm heading home, and this is a sound check. Like a steaming train. A foot to the floor. A guitar on, huh? In the driving rain. My head is aching. And my mouth is dry. I've had a thirst. That only you can satisfy. Yeah, I've got the bottle. Hey, bring me your cup. Pop the cork and try a sup. Yeah, when you're empty, I'll fill you up. This is a sound check. We'll drink it down until the sun comes. I've got a bottle. Bring me your cup. Pop the cork and try a sup. When you're empty, I'll fill you up. We'll drink it down until the sun comes up. Yeah, I'm gonna do más with the dial. Dial? It's a tough crowd, boy. With the dial. Hey, a sexy lady, I say, Vergación, sexy lady, hey, no vas to delete it, don't worry about it. No também live tá hoje, também lá. Sexy lady, wala. Sexy lady, você vai contestar, não? Sexy lady. Ela acaba de basta. Sexy lady, fade out. Sexy lady, Okay, ela acaba. Sexy lady, the fade out. Sexy lady, Hey, you've been a wonderful. Give your hand to yourself. Come on. Hey, even louder, the loudest you can. Eso. Pacioso, ¿no? Me tengo que ir a saqueo. O es un real método. Para atrás y vos, sí. No, para atrás y caer. Sério, tengo un stand big one. Manda do na ordem, stage handlers. Hey, give it up for the sound team, the crew and team, you know? Nada? Aí, tá duro, hey. Hey, vamos ver camerato que talk amongst yourselves, yeah? Diga uma lewa aí. Mas es Rocky Gun. Yeah, unless it's your show, no? Yes, this is the team song, the team. Raw. Dale DJ in the background, nada? Coffee break. Hey, this is the delete the second, no? Kansakaya. Yes, Maria, I had to look for the song because I usually do a theme song, so this is especially dedicated for you now. I'm just kidding. It's for the team. It's the team. It's Raw, right? It's a cover. No, I'm just kidding. It's a cover. It's called Raw. So I did my homework. Take it easy. You know, I got my iPad. I put my eye on the pad. I did that one already, so it's not that funny. All right. Bear with me. Ito dalong kadiga, sa'yo sa tawahin mga kamen. Kahit ka sa kayang. Wala. Usa protection, wa? Busco biri ba Jay? Ayun, tikit back on. Eso, Curu. Nasa ito usa protection, namin Curu. Okay, uma. Sério. Só, después de claro. Safada ka, oh. Say no. Check. Esta dime da, esta di. Esta via. I'm the responsible. I'm aansprakelijk. All right. Jesús, pero ¿qué pasa? Se murió. Hasta aquí también momento para shy, ¿no? Eso, bleque, da nada. Estaba de gallo. I don't like it. Así no me lo vaya. Yeah, was it? Yeah, was it? Okay. Yeah, when we wake up, I is not afraid to show some initiative. You don't make me feel like no one else. No, just myself here. Yeah, when we wake up, not a drop of liquor or of makeup. I know you don't want nobody else, no. Just myself, yeah. Coro, bridge. Lights may burn brighter at midnight, but I can't see nothing I like. The night we don't need to hide behind. I love you most in the daylight. Huh. Let me see, baby. I need you for all you are. God damn it, I just want you raw. Hey, so let me see, baby. I need you for all you are. I just want you raw. Say the musical interlude. Hey, the original unprocessed. This shit is just what it is. No need for contest. Got the eye for it. I got the time for it. I was taught to save the whole life. Now I can't afford. I was taught it was dirty and it was the purest. Yeah, the old it was ugly. Then me starting was used to like it of the liquor. Now I want it unfiltered. You can have it anyway. Walk into castigo. Delete ko aquí. Después de que la vi de nuevo. Punta ahí arriba YouTube. Roddy Looney. I don't like it. Okay, bang ko. Hey, lights may burn brighter at midnight, but I see nothing that I like. The night you don't need to hide behind. I love you more in the daylight. Light can use flash camera at night. Can catch the details that I like. Excited within but what's outside. Let me see you most in the daylight. Let me see, baby. See you for all you are. I just want you raw. Hey, let me see, baby. Press. Need you for who you are. I just want you raw. I say, Ito ba halte na ito ba assim na halte pero ito hen mo heta cantear ito cantear assim na Lato purba to hey feed out Do show passa brete wa bota hari kumi todos Changa, yes, changa, the tanga, para. Eso, Lucha. Dai. Tá basta. Delete ko aqui. Barre cai pro stage. Mais duro. Não, tá correndo de aqui não. Quer me dar uma? Me mais dar uma? Yeah, you're sure? But it's no, but they get vexed, you know. All of them. No, it's from the last poetry night. So if hey, you tell me, it's your barbecue. I'm just here for a nut. It's your barbecue. See? Okay, sagi sita may rilo. Sagi sa graba ko, mandi live, subro menang, no, delete ko. Delete, so na mamalo ko. Pero yan ko na same ito. Guy, inang, raw key. Elpapichulo.com, yeah, what's that? Share, like, and share. Okay, son, hindi ko may 5 minutes of fame ginang. Okay, sige, so na? Yeah? After lagi gitara? No, that is right. Sa 3 chords, so fácil. B minor, A, A. So naman yung break yan. Sa kita wake game. Kami si sabi, dahil ba? Kata na anish.
Funny to see what foolish lovers do. I never thought I'd find somebody like you. Na. I never thought I'd be with somebody like you. No, no wanna fall in love. Hey, no, no wanna fall in love. I say, I am body be down with you. Pop sama banana na. Hey, with you. Hey, with you. What the wicked came to play. What the wicked thing to do. Leave it. What the wicked game to play. I know this by heart. To make me dream of you. Musica lei luce. Bleki, nada. Combiamo a essere là. The world is on fire, the only one saving is you. Funny to see what them foolish lovers do. Hey, I never thought I'd be with somebody like you. I never thought I'd meet somebody like you. Oh, no wanna fall in love. This world is only gonna hurt on myself. Oh, no wanna fall in love. Hey, with you, with you, with you, with you. Nadeng ka ba? What the wicked came to play. What a wicked thing to do. I say, hey, what a wicked game to play. To make me fall you. Say this. Sure. Rasta fried rice. Casigo. Tá basta. Dobbiamo la chitarra. Sì, no? Dai. Just be now. I'm being sarcastic. No, wait, dai. Next. Wait, take a protection off. Because I go in raw, I ain't got raw. Look at this. Protection, right?
And if you never met Rocky, ladies and gentlemen, that was Rocky. Show some love for him right there. In his own way, that's what he does right there, man. Hold up. All right. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're reaching close to the end. We got a few, literally a few more left right there. And up next, we got Tada. Tada, where you at, Tada? Make some noise for Tada, everybody. Yes, indeed. Tada, this is your second time? Yes, indeed. Right? You were my art photo, right? The last one. Where was the last one at? Checkpoint. Wow, checkpoint. That's what I'm trying to see if you're paying attention. If you was there with me, all right. Right over here, Tada. Right over here. Need you right over here.
Hi guys, boa noite. I am very nervous right now. It's so scary to have so many eyes on me. But
Let's make her feel welcome, everybody. Let's make her feel welcome. Let's make her feel welcome right there.
But yeah, like Leo said, this is my second time at Poetry Night. Actually, I was not planning to do this again, just like the last time. But yeah, I was with my friends and we literally came up with like a poem on the spot. We decided to like just write one sentence each, and we started writing this poem, but then I ended up finishing it myself. Yeah, the name of this poem is called Broken Compass. I feel the wind blowing me away, like a loose feather falling from the sky, in an unknown direction like there's no place for me. A broken compass is what best describes me. I don't know where I'm going, but as long as I have you to hold on to, I'm okay with having no final destination. I need you to rip open my skin until it's cold and bare. I want you to see the scars upon my heart. Reach for the warmth within me. Hold on to it and never let it go. Embrace it like it's the last ray of sunlight before the world goes dark. Save me. I want you to make my fire burn. I want the thousands of colors around me to not just exist, but consume me. I don't want to just smell the flowers you give me, but for their sweet scent to become me. And when you kiss me, I don't want to feel the softness of your lips, but I want our souls to intertwine like two galaxies colliding. Yeah. Thank you.
Give it up for Tada once again, everybody. Beautiful Tada. Wow. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, up next, I'm going to introduce the next presenter right now, but I need you guys' help with this one, okay? Because all jokes aside, we cannot clap our hands with this one. We got to do silent clap, all right? So silent clap, we got to do it like this, all right? So when I call her name up, we silent clap like this for her, right? Because there's a reason why, and she'll explain that also. So with a lot of love, let's welcome her to the platform with a silent clap like this, exactly, for Kay. Come forward, Kay. Silent clap for Kay right here.
Boa noite. Meu nome é Kay. I am very nervous, although I've done this many times. It's different each time, and also I normally prepare every part of my poem, like even the intro, what I'm gonna say to you now, which is not prepared right now at all. So I don't know what I'm doing. But I have two poems that are new. And I guess I'm just going to share those because Leo called me up, so yeah. I'll do this one. It does not have a name, and it's in Papiamento. I think it's self-explanatory when you hear it, too. So, here I go. Mi no quiero bora buraco de emboceso, sobrepensando dia hecho con anta criami garnachi y mi tengo quiera satisfecho. Tamane, mi no tin derecho. Profesional anta fallami constantemente. Pena la vida me nota agradecido para un tiempo disfrazando y cuido. Dimes, amit é sempre negativo. Aunque tempo tá valioso, bom tá querer como saúde mental tá custoso, e não quer queja ou fastidioso, me quer compreender de onde bota bem. E tem mínimo esforço para tá curioso e quer saber mais de gente. Mas é abo também eu tenho ganas de compreender-me, sabe a origem de meu sentimento não. Pero bota worry mais com a localidade de minha sessão com meu pensamento sur raiz. Bota preocupa mais com a hora e não de como me tá hora. Bota disfarçar o cuido, mas é de qualidade. Viste e garnache e costume de bondade. Bo por querer firmemente de mim, para bo fé, nota minha realidade. Bo quer ajudar-me de verdade? Duna-me tempo suficiente. Cuido adequado e consistente. Bo não me tratar-me diferente, pero tampouco me diz um cliente. Me tá importante e me tem direito. Pero me tem tica esperança que bo compreender hecho, que bo tá donar-me ajuda de garnache e me tem coceira minha boca e queira satisfeito. Thank you. Okay, so I asked for silent applause because I'm autistic. I forgot to say that, and I'm very sensitive to noise. But I do have earbuds in, so I'm okay. And the next poem I will recite is Anxiety. I should recite this first, but it's okay. Anxiety is what I felt walking in tonight. A new place, a crowd full of people in sight. I saw familiar faces, but it wasn't enough to loosen the knot choking my throat so tough. That unpleasant feeling churned deep in my gut. Sweat on my forehead, my heart in a rut. It beats fast right now, not just for tonight, but for what I'm about to say to set things right. Mother, the biggest compliment you ever gave me wasn't in words, but in how our last meeting came to be. That night, I decided to finally cut you off. And in that moment, I realized the truth was rough. I'm not just your black sheep daughter. You see, I'm a threat to your disorder, wild and free because I can't be controlled like the others before. I have too much ambition. I'm meant for more. I stand here bare, no mask to hide. The anxiety inside me I no longer can confide. It's raw and it's real, this battle I fight between love and pain, wrong and right. In the end, we can't be good kids to bad parents, no matter the love or the silent torments. So here I am, with truth laid bare, facing the crowd, shedding despair. Anxiety may visit, but it won't define the strength in this heart, this soul of mine. Thank you.
Thank you, Kay. Everybody, silent applause for Kay. Silent applause for Kay right there. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Up next, we got a next first timer, if I'm not mistaken, and his name is Nick. Where you at, Nick? Welcome right there. Make some noise for Nick, everybody. Yeah, and everybody's like, oh, should we clap? Yeah, just clap soft, everybody. Don't even hit your hand. Just air clap. Just air clap. Just air clap, yeah. Air clap, yeah. Y'all looking back, Leo, now you tell us? Yeah, well, I didn't know, my bad. Let's welcome Nick to the platform, everybody. That's what's up, Nick.
Ok, me deu pari poema, mas põe na vol hora que consigo me nanta mais curu possível. Vamos assim é verdade. Ok, pro me chama cicatriz. Marca nan di momento nan di dolor. Dolor di momento nan difícil e duro. Duro tava tai sofrimento di momento nan. E momento que o dolor abrirá cicatriz. Marca nan que ta conta nossa história. Nossa história que ta conta nos passado. Passado que ta laga les para nós por melhorar. Melhorar nossa comportação para evitar cicatriz. Marca nan di cosecha di lama e kunuku. Kunuku e lama que aduna nos alimento. Alimento de corpo e alma. Para nos portar fuerte. Fuerte para cargar com orgulho cada cicatriz. Marca nan maneira má para riba curpa. Curpa de arubiano que a sofre sem queja. Queja e não conhecer. De sigue com seu labor. labor de arubiano, reconocí para su cicatriz. Marca de labor de nos antepasado com a luta para um futuro melhor futuro, que o jovem tem que preservar e defender para evitar mais cicatriz. O seguinte chama Amanecer e Tardecer. Amanecer e tardecer, bonita instante de dia, que nos duche Aruba ta viva diariamente. Amanecer ta chama o dia bom bini, mientras que o tardecer ta bisetia de manhã. Dia ta nasce com o primeiro raio de solo tras de horizonte de el mar cristalino. Of com o primeiro raio de solo escondi tras de cero de Yamanota e Aricoc. E dia claro ta duna vida na flora e fauna riba nos barranca árido Aruba. Amanecer ta mira dia que tu começa assim na bonita, transformar de realidade triste. Prempan ta mira maior ta sofre para não porduna na yunang pang pa come. Tráfico mal pegado tem esquina riba camina ng ultramoderno sem solução. Decadência de norma e valor, de decência e respeito. Aruba, Kiko ha cambiado. Tardecer, pouco a pouco tatuma e batuta de amanecer para queda encargar com o resto do dia. Produção laboral ta baja, mientras que o ânimo a hora alegre ta aumenta. Tristo pa mira, mucha nari bacaya, sem supervisão, passo maior ng Mr. Traha. Atrobe tráfico mal pega, que o condutor na rabia e fada, Aruba, Kiko ha cambiado. Tardecer, que bonita vista or solo tabaja, tras de horizonte de el mar cristalino. Visitante e local, demboto ao sentar e Santo Blanco, ta admirar tal boniteza. E raio de solo, ta corta maneira lenga de candela, ribe olanan, que fascinação. Pero pa hopi, e vida da maneira lenga de candela, ribe ng cuero frágil. Amanecer e tardecer, tawak back com nostalgia ribe dia llena o acontecimento de alegria e tristeza, bondade e maldade, excelência e mediocridade. Amanecer e tardecer, curso adversidade, nos barranca árido a sobreviver dia mais. Sobreviver da estilo de vida de país que quer lugar, pero não sacam. Amanecer e tardecer, bonita instante de dia que nos duche Aruba, ta viva diariamente. Instante nan ku pahopi e boniteza abliquia e ta carga riba su shoulder. Amanecer e tardecer, ta contemplar e dia de manhã, que seguro lo nota diferente. Pero promé e barranca árido, tem que sobreviver outro bonita instante, esta noche. Ok, para o seguinte, me digo para tem caballero que tem auto blanco. Só que tem auto blanco, isso man? Não? Ok. O seguinte minuto, bisa título ainda, me lagabos mas por deduzir que é título na final. Kuhopi antecipação, esperando a chegada de auto blanco. E auto blanco den qual a dama de beleza sem igual lo llega. E hora antecipar a llega e passa, pero nada de auto blanco. E auto blanco den qual a dama está llena mi coração lo llega. Hora nanta sigue passa, pero nada de auto blanco. E auto blanco den qual a dama que está presente de mi sonho lo llega. desesperação tá drenta, angústia, pensando algo lo porá passa e auto blanco den qual é dama, que tá pone mi coração bate, com antecipação lo llega. Antecipação, desesperação, angústia, temor, mi estado de espera para auto blanco. E auto blanco den qual é dama, que tá é motivo de mi angústia lo llega. Mi antecipação e desesperação tá atrás de lomba, com chegada de auto blanco. E auto blanco den qual é dama, que tá pone cacho para mim a llega. Regalo, último modelo, pagar com sodor de mi trabalho, mi auto blanco. E auto blanco de qual é dama bonita, a hasidonho DJ. Quero e goza, de hora dan lá de noite, den mi auto blanco. E auto blanco, den qual é dama, comitaço chambon a llega. Mita stime, e lo mi queda com ele. Ni kiko passa, tadimi eta, e auto blanco. Awo, quem correi com yama e poema aqui? Não tem auto blanco. E yama e chambon. Mas, se você está permitindo, ok. E yama mi amigo cruel. E amigo cruel que me dediquei na tua pessoa que sofre de dolor de lomba, mas a mim mesmo estava sofrendo de dolor de lomba antes. Perdão que numa operação que resultou exitoso e aceita para conta para passado. E estava assim aqui. Desde par de tempo me tinha amigo. E amigo aqui está cruel. E está com tur dia e tur hora. Se vira mandrete e também está vira na mandrete. Se vira na manrubês e também está vira na manrubês. Meu amigo cruel não quer para mim assim nada. E não quer para mim carga ou fisa coisa não pisar. Se me carga ou fisa coisa não pisar, toch eta dá-me um scop de me atrás. Basta dia me ta sinta riba candela of eis depende com meu amigo ta sinti. Meu amigo cruel não quer para me cana hopi. Se me desafie e cana hopi eta mara bloco de chumbo na mi pia. Mi pia nanta bira assim na pisar ko de viaja mindor por hisanang. Mi ta cana trompica, corre cabeça de gai, maneira burachi. Meu amigo cruel tem hora e não quer para me ni dormir. Da maneira tá riba cama e fakir me ta dormir. Bira direito ou bira robres, clavo scarpi ta pui-me. E amigo cruel aqui, tá maestro dentur arte de tortura. Meu amigo cruel tem hora pa gis pa smack, ta ponemi yora. E ta gis dal-me kinipi assim na duro, como ta creme de dolor. Água de uova ta como sa corre riba mi cara minha boa. Llora em silêncio para nirgun rende wak mi sofrimento. Mi amigo não humano, o atende de mi amigo cruel, de repente abrir doctor, terapista e cardiopráctico. Nanda duna tur classe de consejo pa kiko come of hasi. Mi amigo cruel, nota nang amigo, kung na porsa kiko pa mi hasi. Ni kiko mi hasi, mi amigo cruel, nota lagami. Minha purba drogue com pildo com doctor a recetar, ma purba hasia borrachi com whisky de tur marca, pero te agora nada não ajuda. E meu amigo cruel tahariso. Doctor na neurólogo e cirurgião quer passar com tio do DJ. Não está seguro que não por eliminar ou poner rabia mais. Se não eliminar, lo me por desfrutar de vida sano e pero tranquilo. Pero se não logra, meu amigo cruel, por rabiacina tanto que ele paralisar minha vida. Este martírio com meu amigo cruel, pimiadem. Decisão que não está nada fácil. It afectar com tur de mim. Me tá pondo em mês y mi amigo cruel demanda de Dios. Yo me espera un señal de ser supremo para mi decisión. Mas dank. Baby banda me quer felicitar tour e mama nan presente riba e di mama dia domingo or. Espera que o tour lo por disfrutar dia a dia e passa dushi dia domingo. Danke.
What's up? Thank you for that, Nick. We appreciate that. Up next, also, I gotta know if she's still here. Stephanie. Steph, are you still here, Stephanie? Stephanie, was she here? Stephanie Buckley, she was here, was not. Understood she was here. All right, then. Better keep it moving right away, then. Chum, I know I saw you. Chum, where you at, Chum? All in the back there. Make some noise for Chum, everybody. Welcome him with applause. Show him some love right there, everybody. Mr. Sonny, I just asked him, Miss Les gone or she still there? Where she is? She gone? Oh, she in the back there? All right, cool. That's what's up. Mr. Les, get ready.
Agora comida 4x4, minuto, tá feito o caminho, não, Maria? Tá feito, tá grande o suficiente. And boa noite. For those not aware, my name is Chum. As I already gave a previous warning to my beautiful friend here, Mr. Leo, don't be surprised when I start cussing because I cuss for everything. So by days, if you don't like cussing, cover your ears. I'm as vulgar as they come. So, just like last time, I didn't prepare nothing. This is gonna be straight from the dome. I am gonna ask for a little favor and a little help. When I say I am calm, I want the rest of you to say like a bomb. So let's try it out. I am calm. Great words from the band Rage Against the Machine. I am calm. I wore this shirt purposely for tonight because if I want to be raw, that means I got to represent who I am as raw as it comes. This is a death metal band called Viscera Trail. This represents Chum. It is angry, it is brutal, and you will be in a mosh pit and you might lose a couple of piercings, teeth, or be home bruised with a sore neck and everything hurting. But don't be scared, I am calm. Just like a bomb, you are waiting to tick down to the last second to explode and take everything around you with it. But I am still calm. Without any mercy, without any restraint, I will tell you the truth regardless if you like it or not, because I am not gonna lie to you. I will tell you the truth to your face, and you may not like me for it, but that is not my problem. That's gonna be between you and fucking God. I am calm. As raw as it comes, yes, I am an angry person. Yes, I dwell a lot in the darkness that is the cruelty of life. However, there is light everywhere you go, because wherever light may shine, there's a shadow cast. But within that, you'll appreciate the balance that it comes with both of them. You cannot have only light, because only light will be blinding. And then you can't have only dark, because then it'll be an abyss. I am calm. And with all this anger, I try to channel it in creative ways, in extracurricular activities. That way I can manage this intensity of rage that I feel deep within myself. Yes, I fight. I am still bruised from last day's training. Yes, everything hurts. Yes, my knuckles are fucked up beyond repair. Yes, my back is fucked beyond belief. Yes, my knees are not gonna recover from the shit I have done to this day. but all for a good purpose. Because whenever it needs be, whenever my friends need it, they know they can count on me and the anger that I have within. I am calm. And with that, I thank you all very much.
The bomb expert, everybody, right here. Make some noise for Chum Chum, everybody. And Chum, you brought a friend. If I'm not mistaken, it's her first time also. If I'm not mistaken, Rebecca. Make some noise for the first time, Rebecca. And Miss Celeste, stand close. May stand close. Right here, Rebecca.
Good evening, everyone.
Hold up. She said, good evening, everyone. Ah, okay, cool.
Thank you. Yeah. So, like you heard, this is my first time doing this. It's my first time reciting a poem anywhere. But I'm not a stranger to pain, so that's what this is about. Okay. In the spotlight's glare, I stand tonight. Wounds of betrayal, my heart still in a fight. From a fractured family, my blood ties broken. My heart in pain, it did not heal with any amount of pretty words spoken. You must find a chosen family, they told me, and I really thought they'd be. But how do you keep that afloat on the surface? Was any of it real? Did your act have a purpose? No matter, but how do you keep that afloat on the surface? Was any of it real? Did your act have a purpose? No matter how much art we made or dreams we shared, I stumbled once and my worth in your eyes was suddenly impaired. A rock on your lawn. Once I could no longer fill you, all your love for me was gone. Seeking solace, but finding disdain. Dreams shattered, confusion reigned. Their love was conditional. They were just playing a game. I'll hold on to myself, although it will never be the same. So here's to those that turned away. Guess who's no longer blinded by your false play? I'll rise above, staying true to me. And to those who showed me their true hue, I have only 2 words left. Fuck you.
Man, the F-bombs are flying tonight. My gosh, man. My gosh. That's the only word in the vocabulary tonight? Man, that's just... I blame Lady Ruthie, all right? She started it, to be honest. If we have to blame anybody, it started with Lady Ruthie, all right? She said it, and everybody was like, oh, if Lady Ruthie says it, then, hey, nobody can tell me anything. I blame Lady Ruthie. I'm sorry, you got to take the blame for tonight, okay? For real, for real. Rebecca, and she disappeared. She left. There you are. Thank you, Rebecca. Thank you, first timer. All right. Hope to see more of you, all right, darling? And last but not least, of course, hey, make some noise for Lady Celeste, everybody. Miss Celeste right here. Empress Celeste, She ready to say, Leo, I ain't come from St. Nicholas for nothing, no? That's exactly what she said.
Good night, everyone. I first have to do a propaganda no paga. I have a fashion show on Saturday for those who want to celebrate pre-Mother's Day at St. Teresita Center in St. Nicholas. It starts at 7. The poem goes like this: the strength it takes. It takes a strength not many see to mother through the storm and still sip tea. When the rare F-bomb slips your grace, you bite your tongue, you keep your faith to keep your place. It takes a strength, both firm and slight, to love, to lose, to still be wife. When patience snaps and silent waves, you smile, but your spirit frays. We swallow sharp, unspoken truths, all in the name of keeping truce. And childbirth, don't even get me started. The words that fly could scorch the sky. I once worked the 9 to 5 for them. Grind through sighs again and again. Each day I'd fight the rising tide, the urge to roll my eyes and hide. Some stares said, "You don't belong," but I knew they had it wrong. And in those moments, pure and crass, I longed to shout, "Your ass." So let me tell you this, my friend. Don't let them mute you in the end. Stand tall, breathe deep, release, release. Include some explicits if necessary, but never lose your inner peace. Thank you.
And ladies and gentlemen, first a round of applause for yourselves for being here tonight. You guys are awesome and great. We got a couple of people to thank also. Shout out to Brian and MA Productions right here for the sound. Hello, make some noise for the sound man team. Lights and all. Also for our Inter and NBC Productions right here. Out of short for the live streaming. We live streaming out here. Clap it up for them. Hell yeah, clap it up for them. And also for sure for Marco Canteen, everybody. Show some love for Marco Canteen for opening up the space for us tonight. Thank you so much for all the artists, poets. Thank you guys for coming here tonight. Follow us on Facebook, Basha Foundation, also on Instagram to stay up to date with all our poetry nights and anything artistic. Of course, we love it, we share it, and we of course support it. Our next one going to be, we have the date, the 25th of June at Petches. And Suvinably, Petches. All right, hats off to you, Maria. Anyway, we're going to, ladies and gentlemen, I was your MC for the night, MC Leo. You guys were awesome and great. Until next time, drive safe. God bless. And, of course, enjoy the rest of your night. And, hey, keep it raw out there, all right? Have a good one. My name Leo, MC Leo. Much love. Hola, yo. Hola, yo. Or one of them.
Baby, dance it from you, dance it oh. Roll it from you, roll it oh. Wine it from you, wine it oh. Baby girl, you give me love. Yeah, you look so fine, and did you put it on? Come close, come wine for the down, girl. Tease me, please me, yeah. Baby, why not freeze me? Oh,
baby, let me tell you something. I love your green light, baby, pump pump. On my chair, baby, one thing. I see the green light, I love the green light.
so baby, wine it for me, go. I want to see you go low. Baby, really commando. I want to see you go low. Oh, yeah. Mommy, wine for the migos. Lily Wayne and Quavo. I say my you potato, my African tomato. I want penny, me pay, I won't pay. Don't you dance, you baby. On the bed, baby, wine do me judge. Softly roll it, baby. Dance it from you, dance it oh. Roll it from you, roll it oh. Wine it from you, wine it oh. Baby girl, you give me love.
Your favorite boy, Techno, on the beat. Baby, let me tell you something. I love your green light, baby, pump pump. On my chair, baby, one thing. I see the green light, I love the green light too.
ya